Hi, welcome to the Real Estate Market Watch and Mortgage Market Update. I'm Bob Gibbs.
And I'm Michael Caires.
And we're in December 2021. It's unbelievable.
Yes. Definitely a strange 2 years, huh?
Oh, yeah, this year has been strange enough. We wanted to give you an update on what's going on with the mortgage market and the real estate market, kind of a little bit where we've been and where we think we're headed into 2022. I can't even believe I'm saying that.
Yeah, exactly.
But, so anyway,
Isn't there a song out there, 2022, that we had 1999 by Prince?
Yeah, it'll be a release in 2023. So, where do you think the market's headed?
I think mortgage rates, actually, this new variant, has caused rates to actually improve. And other than that, I mean, the Fed is pretty much, other than put up billboards all over America, they're raising rates. It's going to happen in 2022. At what month? And we're not sure, and we don't know how many increases, but it's going to be at least one. I predict at least two. The market has got that built in, and
is that to counteract the inflationary?
I mean, there's no doubt it. They feel like the economy, jobs, much improved, consumer comes, a lot of different things throughout. All the key indicators economically are all showing up better. Obviously, last year, 2020 was crazy, and all the undecisiveness, indecision, nobody knowing anything and where it was headed. Mm-hmm. And then the Delta came, and rates improved by it. Yeah. And then then rates started to go up, and guess what? Now the new variant just came out, and we improved a little bit. I mean, we're still in the low threes. But it would not surprise me one bit if we're in the upper threes next year at some point. In 2023, don't be surprised if there's a 4 in front of the interest rate. Yeah. I mean, just based on where everything is headed.
Yeah, I've heard that from a few other economists as well. They're expecting interest rates to go up next year.
Yeah, it's going to happen. I mean, the real estate market's stabilized. People have made a lot of money. People are pulling a lot of cash out, debt consolidations, paying for college, more than anything, home improvement. I mean, in our area here in the Bay Area, it's just been wild and crazy, and it's been good for people.
Yeah. Well, for the real estate market, we do expect home values to continue to migrate up through next year. The National Association of Realtors is kind of guessing that we're going to be 5.5%, 6% increase in prices of homes. Bay Area is a whole other.
Yeah, exactly.
We may see 15%.
Yeah. Even if you saw 7 or 8%, think about it. Anybody out there that's retired, you'd be happy to get 3 to 4% on rate of return on your money right now.
Right.
And real estate getting you anywhere from 6 to 8 or 9. I mean, that's huge.
Right. One thing to keep in mind, because we are in a period of high inflation, and there's really no indicator as to when that's going to kind of come back down. Everyone's hoping soon, but. Doesn't look like it.
No.
Probably the best hedge against inflation is a fixed rate mortgage on a home.
Yeah.
Because it's not going to, your payment's not going to go up. The only thing that's going to go up is the value of your house.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, who are we kidding? I mean, I closed my first loan in 1985 at 13.75%. That was a 15-year fix.
And that was
think about
deal.
that. Exactly. So we have no reason to complain about 3 or 4% or 5%. Yeah. But when people earlier this year, and a big portion of last year got in the 2s, well, it's a tough pill to swallow getting into the 3s, which obviously shouldn't be the case. But
so I think going into next year, a lot of people are talking about should they wait, either whether you're a seller or a buyer. It's one of those unique windows where I wouldn't wait for either side of this thing.
Yeah.
From a seller's perspective, we don't know what tomorrow's going to bring. December 2019, who would have thought that we'd have a pandemic and everything would be shut down, right? So we only know what we know today. It's a great time to sell. For a buyer, it's not as great of a time. However, waiting is not going to benefit you.
I mean, look at those who are getting close to retirement, or now with the work-at-home environment. We've seen a lot of people moving out of California because of taxes.
Yeah.
We've seen a lot go to Tennessee, Texas, Nevada, Florida. I mean, I think those are the 4 main.
So if you have any specific questions, or you want to talk about the mortgage market with Michael, or buying or selling a home with me, just reach out to us. We're always available. We'll be here through the holidays.
Yeah.
And we'd love to talk to you.
Happy holidays.
Thanks for watching.